Hey, back to a camera, point and shoot, instead of the GoPro.
FoolyLiving, but I haven't used it yet. But it looks like it's got a wider image. Like this right here is wider, yeah.
It should be.
Yeah.
24 millimeters. So
it's
we're
still dark. You got me. With
yeah.
Backlighting.
Yeah, of course.
It's gonna do that still.
Yeah, and we haven't set up the image stuff yet.
Yeah, he's got to set it up. But this is like widget.
Earlier.
All right, springs to swim around.
Good morning. Wow, you people are sad.
I thought you were talking to somebody specific. Anyway, hi, we're here. And we worked out already, so now it is time to go home. And I believe we are going to have a nice day for...
La Familia?
Yes, hopefully. I don't know if it's going to rain today. It's a little overcast.
Yeah. How crazy is it? I'm used to... At winter in Israel, we'll say, chance of rain. Here it's like, chance for scattered thunderstorms.
Yeah, and then it just comes, it's like, boom, thunder, lightning, boom, rain, you know? And then it rains, and then everything's flooded.
How was our morning, children?
Good with the gym. You want Zoom books? Yeah, because you want free Zoom books.
That you didn't get 3, you got 2. Rafael got 1, and you were holding it while he was holding Mommy's hand. How many did you get?
I got 1. I want 2.
Swimming hole. Can I just have a swimming hole?
Locations for swimming pool near you.
Huh.
The best old swimming hole.
Let's see. I'm pretty sure we just saw a falcon come into our yard, and I didn't get a chance to turn the camera on for it. Rafael saw it too.
They put a new roof on their metal roof. Listen, guys, I have been so stressed out about this camera that we have purchased it 8 times, and they have all like had a problem with it. Is my face red where my pimples are, like really bad? Is my hair orange?
No, it looks really good. Alright, we're gonna stop at a Home Depot real quick and then go to a restaurant.
Well,
Hold on.
it doesn't turn on fast, does it?
Hey Tyler, if you're watching this, just know we're hitting this restaurant only because of you. Or thanks to you.
Tyler! Yeah.
The best server we've ever had in our lives, I think.
Yeah. He was awesome.
Milk and
Yeah. We're eating barbecue style.
How's that focus?
Quick. Got a mac and cheese and ribs. And what's that?
Loaded tots.
Looking good. And Rafael, that's kind of the same as Abigail, yeah?
Yep. Pulled pork sandwich with garlic bread. They don't have tater tots in Israel.
Can you eat it? Sure you can. Here, I'll help you. Cut it. All right, enjoy your food. Yeah, what's in there? Show me. Ooh. Yeah.
It's a low price to get this. $4.37, low price. Doesn't say it, but I know it.
This is my mom's favorite plant. Favorite flower. Merit Supreme Hydrangea. I love shade.
So
2 to 4 hours of sun. Water weekly during dry periods. It gets to be 5 foot tall. And you need to spread them out 36 to 48 inches. Blooms early to midsummer.
No, we don't move that.
Is it already? Why don't it move?
Because we're not supposed to move it.
We're supposed to move that.
No, the store does that.
Where were they? Let's see if it says I love
You know what I want? I want pampas grass. Pampas grass?
Mommy,
You dare steal truth from my lips.
this plant.
You like feeding birds? Yeah?
Didn't we get a bird feeder?
Yeah.
What are we doing with it?
How are we going to hang it?
Where do you want to hang it off
I'm
of?
going to hang it right in front of the window so we can just sit there and watch it.
S-hook?
We'll do what?
S-hook?
S-hook, but how? Because I was looking up there and I don't know how you're going to get it up there.
Are bird feeders.
Like, what is it going to hang off of?
Why is there so many big umbrellas?
These are the cheapest bird feeders because I've looked all over and these are the cheapest one that I've seen, and they look good. And they're metal. Cherry bomb! Am I right?
I really don't know.
I forget. Cherry bomb! What you want, Abigail?
I want this.
Do you know what it is?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's this great food. We wash the car.
You want to wash your car with it? Are you going to wash it?
Yeah. I could wash it yesterday.
You can only reach 2 foot up though.
All the way from the garden center to the other side of the store. Have you ever done that? That's like a hike.
Every time, right?
Urban hike.
And we get it white.
Alright. Oh!
What did I say?
Woo!
I said don't go into it.
Alright, we got our fire pit. It isn't the one that like I originally wanted, but it is the one that I want now. I got it for $29 at Aldi. Are you happy?
Will it burn? Can fire burn glass?
No, that's protective glass.
It's protective glass?
So we've already burnt it a little bit to test it. I have marshmallows here that I've had since we've moved here, and
We're gonna do a camp out at home. We've done that before.
yeah, we did. One.
Wow.
You get one too. I have 2 children, Abigail. You can't always be first, you know.
I wanna be first. But it's first today. We got our own fire for marshmallow.
And by the way, I know somebody's going to say something. Yes, I have 3 children, but I have 2 children in my home.
You actually have 4 children.
Yes, she just ran that way, but she doesn't want any marshmallows. She just wants to look. When you move, she's going to look out. So, we're going to take this. You know what to do. Show Abigail what to do.
You just put it here. And wait.
And not for too long, because if it
around.
melts, it's going to get in there.
Roll it around. I like to get mine on fire. This marshmallow's on fire.
This girl is on fire.
You know that
We only have radio in the car.
There.
song? Yeah, we only have radio in the car.
Is it all burnt up?
Not yet. Get it in there. Is this that fake fire that doesn't put out any
Really?
heat?
Really?
There you go, Abigail. You're getting it. Keep going.
I stood you out.
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
drop
alright,
it.
alright.
Don't drop it.
Oh,
Blow on it.
that's
Blow.
burnt.
Blow on it.
I'm getting bit here, so I
Yummy.
irritable.
Oh.
And
Yeah.
she was...
Do you know how I feel now? My back from the sunburn. I had to wear a tight bra the day after, and it ripped all of my skin off, and it's like nerves right at
Oh,
the
hey.
edge of my skin right now.
Speaking of pain in the ears, it's 8 p.m. now, isn't it? Because guess what? All the frogs are out.
That's cascadas or whatever. Cascadas?
Cascadias?
Something like that.
Oh, I can.
Yeah, I hear frogs down there too.
There's the other one. What you got there?
You have to put yours in the fire.
Are you gonna eat yours, Abigail?
Yeah.
Try it out.
That's great. I'll take this off.
Rafael's trying his out, see? So go ahead and try yours.
Here, get in there. All right.
Alright,
Here.
okay.
All right, put it on. Put it on right here.
Ew!
Now mash it down and pull the stick out.
Pull the stick it out, mash down.
Good job, Abigail.
More mashing down, Rafael. It's not coming out good.
The thing right there?
Oh,
yeah.
Alright, don't let it
Great.
stick to the table.
Mash it down and pull the stick out at the same time. Oh, that's
that
okay.
stick
That's
is
okay.
really hot. Now, where do I
Pull the
put
stick
this?
out. Pull
Down.
the stick out.
No more.
Here.
So this is called s'mores, Rafael. You know why? A s'more? Because you want some more?
Yeah.
Get it?
I want some now.
That's not samo, it's s'more. Just kidding. What do you think about it?
Sorry?
What do you think about it? Good?
Yeah. Good. We had this before, right?
So, is it nicer to have a fire out here than not? Because as soon as we walked out here, I already sweat. As soon as we walked out, it's maybe
Oh, it hit me in the face.
it's 90
I was like,
degrees,
"Ugh."
but this is dry, so it's better.
Yeah, I'm fine.
But when it wasn't on, it was just bad.
Isn't that weird? I'm fine, yeah.
Yummy. Yummy too.
We can do this anytime now. Daddy was going to do it on a grill, but I like this idea much better. And this is a metal table.
Yeah, so how this works is it's a liquid propane. It has off, high, and low on here. And it comes with a lava rock. Underneath it's a 1 pound camping gas tank. You can't see it right now, but it's clamped down in there. It's screwed on, threaded, and clamped. What you got, Rafael? This?
Oh, is that good?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to
man.
finish it in your mouth, Rafael, and then lick your
Yeah.
finger. And what do you think?
Good.
That's all you got? Good? Your mommy thinks it's fabulous.
Fabulous.
I want to do it again.
You can do it and have some more.
All right.
I do it again.
So I
Yeah.
think for the meantime, we can have it on low. Maybe?
My video.
And that's the low setting right there. And of course, this
that's
is
so
worse for
pretty.
filming.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
She can't lick her fingers though.
I can lick my fingers. Can't lick my fingers anymore. Can't lick my fingers anymore. This is a really hot fire.
At first I was wondering if it was on fire at all because Rafael couldn't get his marshmallow to catch on fire. It's about that too. He doesn't like fired up marshmallows.
Can't lick my fingers.
Oh no. He likes barely touched marshmallows. That's why I wanted one. So, well, I wanted one like not here at the place where we eat, but I wanted one like in the yard so we could have chairs around it, and I wanted the circle one, you know.
What's wrong with this, though? I mean, this
I
is
love
convenient.
this. I love this. You know, I wanted something, but I found this for $29, and I was like,
It's also important to note
I
that
love it.
it's where the umbrella goes.
yeah, it's the umbrella hold. So you could just put it on a table.
Oh, yours is all burnt.
I love it.
He did that on purpose, Rafael.
Accident.
This marshmallow's on fire. La, la, la. I'm on fire. Sing it. Sing it, Rafael.
Good night. Have a good night. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Go to someone's place tomorrow, like or the beach. Bye.
Bye.
Go to the beach tomorrow.
Here.
I said, there is no way. I mean, it was the first day. Thanks.
That's how it's always been. We're not gonna use the camera.
You're the heaviest human, and humans, they don't get bloom like trees swing everywhere.